people in the group. We've got a 5.0 Mustang Coyote. We also got a Hellcat in the group. And we're just gonna go have some fun. Just give you guys a little shot right here. We're gonna go around.
Make sure you guys stick around. This is gonna be the Hellcat intro that James bought. James bought a straight ripper. Also at the end we do the mid muffler deletes, test the two-step before and after, and watch out eardrums. Stick around. This just happened to be one of my favorite cars at the show. I love this green. The Quattros are super nice. I'd love to have one for a daily driver one of these days. Hope you guys are enjoying the video so far.
Yeah, no, I think it's gorgeous. Super good. Somebody took some time on it. Super nice. Checking out James's new beast. He went to go look at what, the LT1? ZL1. Couldn't fit in the damn thing. He had to duck his head to see out the windshield. And then he ends up test driving this thing, fitting. What do you think, James? Pretty good choice.
Yeah, super comfortable.
Nice for a tall guy. How tall are you?
6'1".
She looks nice. Had to get the old 6-speed. They did a really nice job on these interiors too. They look nice. Not a lot of plastic everywhere. Just nice leather, red accents. Oh, good. Big old Brembo brakes. Guess.
As you can tell, we didn't waste any time by putting this Hellcat on the lift and doing the mid muffler deletes. Unfortunately, had a camera problem and the camera wasn't recording for the first part of it, so you don't get to see me cut them out with a sawzall. Hope you guys stick around so you guys can hear the end result. The two-step on this sounds nasty. Here we are, all welded out. Nothing too fancy, it's just exhaust welding.
Different
Alright, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Sorry for all the voiceovers and some of the misfilming in this one. I'll try to do better on the next one. Hope you guys have a great weekend.